Can you really get a free trip to Europe by ordering a BMW, Volvo, or other car through a European delivery program? And if so, are these programs worth the price you pay for the car? Today we'll answer both those questions and compare all of the programs. But first off, let's explain how European delivery works. The idea is that you buy a European luxury car and pick it up at the factory in Europe. You'll typically get a discount off the price of the car, plus a travel deal. After you visit the factory, you can cruise around Europe for a couple of weeks and drop off your car at a pre-approved location. All programs include a factory tour and meal, international car insurance, and registration for 2 weeks. When you're done, they'll ship the car back to the US for you free of charge. Now let's compare some of the perks. There are currently 4 European manufacturers offering programs: BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, and Volvo. BMW gives you 5% off the price of the car, but not much else. They don't include airfare or hotel. Mercedes gives you 7% off the price of the car, as well as 1 night in a hotel and a $200 flight voucher. Of course, $200 isn't going to come close to covering the whole price of a ticket to Europe, and you'll still have to pay for your travel partner as well. Porsche has the stingiest of programs and doesn't offer any discount or travel accommodations. And finally, Volvo comes in with a generous travel package. They offer a range of car price discounts up to 10% depending on the model you buy. And they also give you a night in a hotel plus round-trip airfare for 2. So are these programs worth the money? Over the past few years, the manufacturers have tightened their belts and removed many of the extra perks that used to be included. So let's see which programs are worth the money and how European deals compare to car prices in the States. I did a little analysis by selecting 5 models around the $50,000 range. First, I went to Edmunds to find out what they suggest is a good target price after car negotiation in the States, without picking up overseas. And I compared that to the European delivery deals. You can see my full analysis by using the link below this video. But here are the results. As it turns out, all European delivery programs, except for Porsche, are actually a better deal to pick up overseas. The winner for best bargain is Volvo. Most programs used to offer 2 round-trip tickets and hotel accommodations, but they've all scaled back significantly except for Volvo. So while picking up a new BMW and Mercedes in Europe will save you a little bit of money, Volvo is the only manufacturer that still offers a full travel package and a truly free European vacation. However, it should be noted for all the programs that even if you don't get a big discount, the value of the travel experience is exceptional and the trip of a lifetime. You can get the full details on all these European delivery programs on findthebestcarprice.com/European-delivery, and I'll include the link below this video as well.